The National Museum of the Philippines is launching a museum passport that lets visitors collect stamps, earn medals, and track their museum visits. Mobile journalist Jazz Paredes shows us how it works.
If you're a certified traveler and museum goer, then the National Museum of the Philippines passport is for you. Last May 18, the National Museum officially launched its NMP passport, where, just like a regular passport, you can get stamps from every National Museum branch across the country.
Yung passport, ang inspiration nito ay gusto namin ma-encourage ang mga Pilipino na bisitahin ang maraming museums, kung pwede lahat ng museums sa National Museum of the Philippines sa buong bansa.
This is also in line with their continuing efforts to promote history and national cultural heritage through museum visits and the passport symbolism. The stamps given in each museum feature a highlight or specimen unique to its region, giving museum goers a glimpse of the location's history. However, the stamps are only one part of the NMP passport.
So, sa stamping po, it's just a one feature, but actually when they have the passport, they can put doon yung kanilang favorite galleries, favorite objects, and they can also write yung personal reflections nila or notes. Meron din siyang mga trivia.
However, the NMP passport is currently limited. To get one, visitors must follow the mechanics posted across the National Museum's social media pages, which include registering through a link and attending the National Museum Day activities last May 18. For each accomplishment, participants receive a sticker, and once completed, they are awarded the NMP passport. However, the fun doesn't end there. Rewards such as medals are also given for certain accomplishments using the NMP passport.
We want them na gamitin ito, kaya meron kaming limited edition puzzle medal. So kung makakuha sila ng stamp sa 6 regional component museums, magkakaroon sila ng one piece. But yung central piece, yung magkakabit or para magko-connect, para mabuo yung piece, ay makukuha sa central once they complete the 3 pieces.
The challenge, only the first 100 participants will receive the medal. For those who weren't able to get a passport, worry not, as the NMP is working to make the passports available for purchase at NMP gift shops. In the meantime, you may check out the NMP Museo Guide app, which was also launched alongside the passport. It is an interactive mobile application designed to transform the museum visitor experience through features such as audio-guided tours, immersive visuals, and text designed to assist visitors with visual and hearing impairments.
Dalawa yung purposes ng online. Yung isa ay magamit yon within the museum experience. Kasi dahil sa dami ng mga ating mga visitors, hirap ng guide. So with the mobile app, self-guided yung tour mo. Second, yung iba naman walang access kasi malalayo nga yung budget na kasama doon. So through a mobile app, you can encourage everyone to see the National Museum at the comforts of their home.
Kabati Jazz Paredes, we are One News.